Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: edition, internet, admin rights, and either a digital license or 25-character product key. Open Settings and go to Activation. This is where the process starts. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account so online activation can match your hardware profile to a digital license. If you have a key, keep it handy. Make sure date and time are correct, and Windows Update can reach activation servers. Small mismatches often block activation. Now you execute the activation. Enter the 25-character key exactly if you have one. Hyphens are optional, but the characters must match. If you rely on a digital license, click Troubleshoot, then choose I changed hardware on this device and sign into your Microsoft account to link the license. Allow Windows Update to complete any pending updates and restart if requested. These steps ensure the OS can validate your entitlement with Microsoft servers and apply the license to your hardware ID. Finish by confirming activation shows Windows is activated in Settings. If it fails, run the activation troubleshooter. It resolves typical account linkage or licensing conflicts. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account used to purchase or link the digital license. If problems persist, note the error code and use SLU4 for phone activation or run SLMGR. VBS commands for diagnostics. These let you rearm the product key and view license status. One tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.